Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdurrahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tartpura. It is class 12th. Today's topic is revenue and subtopic is average revenue. Tomorrow we have discussed about what is revenue. I will repeat it once more. The total amount of money when the commodities are sold is called revenue. And what is the difference between revenue and profit? Profit means total cost divided by expenditure, that is profit. It is the difference. So we're discussing this average revenue. What is average revenue? Average revenue is the per unit revenue received from the sale of commodity. Average revenue means the total sale of a commodity, the sale of single commodity per unit revenue received from the sale of commodity. It is the same as the price of the commodity. Total revenue, if total revenue is rupees 1000 and quantity is 100, then total revenue 1000, quantity 100, then average revenue. What is the average revenue? Average revenue is the total revenue divided by the quantity. What is the total revenue? That is 1000. What is the average revenue quantity of one? That is 100. What is the average revenue now? 1000 but divided by 100, that is rupees 10. It is the average revenue. But today we have to see that what the relationship of marginal revenue, total revenue, and average revenue. But at what time? When average revenue is constant, it is assumption, it is assumed. It is assumed that when average revenue is constant, then what is the relation between marginal revenue and total revenue and average revenue? Here I have written here from first column output quantity units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 units. And price are these units. Price per unit and rupees. That is average revenue is constant. We are assumed. That means price is the same 10, 10, 10 and so on. Now what is the total revenue? It is very easy for you to understand. What is total revenue? It is when one quantity of this is here one quantity, price is 10, then total revenue. What is total revenue? Total revenue is equal to average revenue into quantity, that is 10 into 1, that is 10. And at the second number unit, what is the total? 2 units are here, price per unit is 10, that means total revenue is 10 into 2, that is 20. And in the third unit, it is when third unit commodity is there, price is constant, that is 10, then the total unit is 3 into 10, that is 30. Total revenue 3 into 10, 30. At fourth unit, when output of fourth unit, price is constant, that is 10 rupees, that is 4 into 10, that is 40. And the same 5 into 10 and is 50. This is the total revenue. What is total revenue? Total revenue is equal to average revenue into quantity and rupees. Average revenue is into quantity. This is the same average revenue. The price of average revenue, it is same 10, 10, 10, 10. And it is now 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now at fourth column, it is marginal revenue. What is marginal? How we can calculate marginal revenue? That is 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. 20, this 20 minus 10 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 30 minus 20, 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. And 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. Dear students, this is marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is equal to TRN, total revenue of quantity, number, total number, minus TRN minus 1, yani total minus 1 additional 1. That additional 1 is the marginal revenue. So this is 10, 10, 10, 10, because AR is constant, it we have assumed. Now, now we can check this all. The following. Now we can check the following relationships. Relationships. TR is equal to average revenue, total revenue is equal to average revenue and to quantity. As you know, I am repeating this. That is equal to TR is equal to, that's rupees 10, and to total units are 5, that is rupees 50, that is 50. Or we can say total revenue is equal to sigma marginal revenue sum of total of all marginal values, sum of sum or total of all marginal revenue values, that is equal to rupees 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 1 2 3 4 5, these are 1 2 3 4 5 is now marginal MR, sum of marginal revenue. This is marginal revenue 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that means 5 times 10, that is equal to 50. Average revenue is equal to total revenue divided by Q. It is average revenue. That is total revenue. What is total revenue? That is 50. That is 50. Total revenue is 50 divided by quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. 50 divided by 5 is equal to rupees 10. Is equal to rupees 10 is equal to price, because price is the same. Now marginal revenue is equal to TR and total revenue of numbers minus TRN minus 1. TRN minus 1 is equal to TRN minus 1 is equal to rupees 50, rupees 50 minus rupees 50 minus rupees 40 is equal to rupees 10. It is same. TR is equal to 5 units minus TR of 4 units. 4 units. Total of 4 units. 5 units minus TR of 4 units. That is equal to, it is, I will repeat here, MR is equal to TRN, total number of numbers, minus TR, total number minus 1 additional marginal number, that is equal to rupees 50 minus rupees 40 is equal to rupees 10. TR is equal to 5 units. TR of units, 5 units. I will repeat once more. Marginal revenue is equal to TRN minus TRN minus 1 is equal to 50 minus rupees 50 minus rupees 40 is equal to rupees 10. That is TR of 5 units 50 minus TR of 4 units, that is 40, that is rupees 10. If AR, average revenue, is constant, as we have assumed, then marginal revenue is equal to average revenue. Marginal revenue is equal to average revenue. This is marginal revenue. When price is constant, this is average revenue. This revenue is equal to AR. This is average revenue, that is 10. Marginal revenue is 10. AR, if AR is constant, average revenue is constant, then marginal revenue is equal to average revenue. Hope that you have followed, you have understood all, and tomorrow we will go inshallah next lecture. Assalamu alaikum.